Hey everybody, welcome to Tech Test Break Fix. Today we're talking about the Exit Fire and Go grill. Doing a little testing today to see can you run this off of just the AC power brick with no battery. Some users are saying that they had problems starting, but we're going to dive into this and take a look, see if the supplied adapter, a 4.5 amp adapter, provides enough power, if there's voltage sag, or we'll see how my unit works. Don't worry about the little smoldering fire in here. I've been doing some testing leading up to this video, so stand by, let me get set up. Okay, I'm back. As you can see, there's no power battery installed. I've got the power brick hooked up. I've got my amp clamp on the leads that go to the, hooked up to the leads that connect to the power adapter. And then I've back pinned my multimeter into that same lead. You can see the power brick's giving 18.6 volts right now. So let's fire this up and see where we wind up. Okay, got power, and I'm just going to hit start. Well, give it some temperature and start. And there's the auger, and we're doing a 1/4 amp with the auger, and power's still holding steady at 18.6. If I haven't said this enough, this auger is just fast. I mean, my goodness, it's just dumping the pellets in there. Makes a really fast startup, but also be warned, if it doesn't start and you have to shut down during the start sequence, you better clean your pellets out or this thing will go up in smoke. So the amp indicator just kicked off, or just went up to 4.5, so we got the igniter going. And you can see here that the battery, or the voltage is, line voltage is staying pretty steady at 18.1. So the power brick appears to be providing enough power. I'm going to shut this down before it gets started. So I'm just going to kill the power here. All right, so I'm back. So I changed the setup a little bit. I scooped out most of the pellets out of the hopper. So we're going to start this up for real this time. So the setup now is I've got the power brick here. I've got the battery installed. I've got the amp clamp zeroed out and around the positive wire going to the battery itself. So what I want to see now is, does it pull any battery power? How does it change the startup sequence? So we're gonna hit the power button again and go to start, and we got the auger going, and we're gonna see what happens. So far the cooks on this grill have been pretty nice, and really a couple design improvements I think they can make on the design from the advertised. Okay, the igniter's going, still showing 0 amps coming out of the battery, so this thing doesn't lean on the battery, at least my unit doesn't seem to lean on the battery at all when it's starting up and running. So see, we got some fire going here. I'm going to go ahead and probably just terminate this, turn it off, and let it cool down, and then I'll vacuum it all out before I put it back together. But that concludes my test. Does not need the battery to start, doesn't pull anything from the battery, and the supplied adapter seems to provide enough power to get it going without a battery. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.